Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Whether you're here to compare apps, learn something new, or just stay updated, you're in the right place. Let's jump straight into it. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you the best way to play USB files on your TCL Smart TV. Whether you want to watch videos, view photos, or listen to music stored on a USB drive, this quick guide will help to get you started fast. First, plug your USB drive into the USB port on your TCL TV, usually located on the back or side. Once connected, your TV should automatically detect the USB device and open the media player app. If it doesn't open automatically, press the home button on your remote and navigate to the media player or USB section. In the apps list, select your USB drive, then browse through your files and choose the video, photo, or music you want to play. Make sure your files are in the format supported by TCL TVs, like MP4 for videos, JPEG for photos, and MP3 for music to avoid compatibility issues. And thanks for watching. If this helped you out to play USB files on your TCL Smart TV, please like the video, leave your questions in the comment, and subscribe for more Smart TV tutorials and guides. See you in the next time.